If the function satisfies the rule f of minus x equal to f of x, then we call that function as an even function. For example, let's take the function x square. Let's check if it follows the rule f of minus x equal to f of x. Let's choose a value for x as 2 and find f of x. That is, substitute x as 2 in the function. So we get 4 as an answer. Similarly, to find f of minus x, let's substitute minus 2 and we get same answer 4. No matter what values of x we choose, f of minus x and f of x will always be equal for this function. So this is an even function. When you draw a graph for an even function, it is symmetric about the y-axis. One side of the graph is a mirror image of the other side. Why is this useful? Because of the symmetry, you can find the area or volume of one side alone, and if you multiply it by 2, you will get the total area or total volume.